Are you opening presents, little boy? Yeah, you think that's funny?
Grayson, open up your presents.
You just like stacking them? Say, this is my present. Be able to play with this stuff and stack it. Good job.
Maddie's sleeping on Daddy. Maddie got her own stocking this year.
Daddy's video cameraing Mommy. Mommy's video cameraing Daddy.
Video cameraing or videotaping?
Video cameraing. You don't know that word? It's a good word. You should use it more often.
Grayson. Grayson, open your presents. Grayson, let Mommy show you how you do it. Look. Is this one yours? No, that's Maddie's, so let's not open that. This one's yours. No, that's Maddie's too. Okay, here. Grayson, look.
See, I know where.
Grayson,
What
look.
order are they going, Mama?
You have to tear it open. Look. Can you rip it open? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Do it. Good job.
Oh, you're opening one on accident. What is it? Curious George! You know who that is. You were just watching it. Weren't you just watching that cartoon?
Yay! Grayson, look what you got. Curious George. Yay! You want to help Maddie open her present? Oh, you trying to put the paper back together? Grayson, help Maddie open her present.
Good job. You opening Maddie's present?
Thank you, Grayson. Thank you, Grayson. As she sleeps.
What is that? What did Maddie get? Can you show? Show Daddy. What did Maddie get? You're covering it. Silly. What is that? A little iPod thing? Plays music?
Grayson, can you
That's
open
for when
this?
she's 3 months old. Uh-oh, Maddie woke up. Bye-bye.